Hello. In this video, I will demonstrate how to utilize the Require User to be Logged In feature for submitting forms in Bitform. To start, select the form you want to work with. In my case, it's Collect Information. Now go to Settings. Now, enable the Require User to be Logged In for Submit Form option. You can also add an error message. To save these changes, click on the Update button. Let's test the form by submitting it. You can see that the form submission is successful. Now, log out from your WordPress account. Try submitting the form again. Please refresh your browser. And you'll notice that it's now locked, displaying a message that says, "You must be logged in." Thank you for watching this video.